Hi, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good, staying healthy and safe during this quarantine. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to practice using a straight razor. Alright, let's get into it.
So these are the items that you're going to need. Now you don't exactly need to use this type of shaving cream, it's just that's what I have. And then you want to use these dry eraser pens because if you use a Sharpie, the Sharpie won't be erased. And you need it to be erased because that's going to teach you to act as hair, getting all the hairs off of the face.
Alright, so you got 4 different stroke positions, okay? You got your free hand, which you're going downwards. Then you got your reverse free hand, where you're going upwards. Then you have your back hand, where you're going upwards. Then you got your reverse backhand, where you're going downwards. Alright? Those are the 4 positions, okay? You're going to draw your beard, okay? It's going to look something like this. Okay, so the reason why I have numbers on here is because we're going to go into sections. Each sections have different strokes, okay? But the main key is to go with the grain, not against the grain, okay? At least for the first pass. Second pass, you could go against the grain, depending on how sensitive the person's skin is. So if they have really sensitive skin, you're probably going to want to go across it versus against it, okay? And this area down here, this is going to be like underneath your jaw and your neck area. So let's go ahead and get into the fun stuff. So also too, this might get messy, so make sure that you have like some plastic bags on the floor if you're in like a carpet area or something like that. Because if it pops, you know, the shaving cream could get everywhere. Alright? The other thing is too, so the angle that you're going to use for the blade onto the balloon is you're going to use it like a 30-degree angle, okay? It's almost flat, but not quite flat, okay? And this is how you're going to hold it. Your pinky is going to go on the tail, and you're going to have your index and your thumb at the top right there, so you have more control, okay? And so now let's go ahead and put that shaving cream on. You know, also, I forgot to grab a napkin, so let me go grab that real quick. So the reason why we need a napkin because after every stroke you're going to get shaving cream on the blade, and you want to make sure that you can see where the blade is, so that way you're not cutting your partner or whoever you're shaving, okay? So you're going to want to wipe it off, okay? So let's go ahead and get into the first stroke. So the first one is going to be a free hand, okay? So which means you're just going to go downwards, okay? As you can see, we got the number 1 gone, and we got around the little area, so there's no ink over there. Alright, so your second one, your number 2, is going to be a backhand. So now you're going to hold it this way, and you're going to go this way, okay? Now that's gone. Always remember, like I said, you're gonna keep it at a 30-degree angle, because any higher than that, you could cause it to cut into the skin, and that's what will pop the balloon or cut your client. Okay, so next we're going to go into the 3, which is this area. 3 is going to be a free hand motion, so which means we're going to go back this way, and we're just going to pull it towards us. Okay. Now we're going to go into the 4, which is this area, and that's going to be the free hand. Okay, so which means we're going to go downwards. at that. Let's get in there. Alright, next, we're going to go into the 5, which is down here. Down in this area. This one we're going to do a reverse freehand. So it's still this motion, right? But now we're going to go behind the client. And we're just going to bring it upwards, okay? Now, we're going to go into the 6, which is the other side of the mustache. So, number 6, we're going to use the backstroke, okay? So, instead of holding it like this, we're going to go like this, and we're going to go away from us. Alright, it's looking good, looking good. Now 8 is going to be back over here. The same stroke, which is the backhand, okay? So number 8 is going to be in this area, and we're going to do the freehand, okay? Which means we're going to hold it like this. Look at that. We're getting everything nice and clean. So number 9 is going to be in this area, okay? Number 9, we're going to use a backhand down motion, okay? So we're going to go back like this. Don't forget, you got to keep that 30-degree angle. Alright, number 10 is going to be in this area, okay? And then number 10, we're going to do the reverse freehand. So now it's still like this motion, but we're going towards us. Alright. Now on to number 11. Number 11 is this area right here. This area is very sensitive to a lot of people, so this one we're going to go ahead and go across the grain, okay? We're going to freehand it, okay? So across it. Number 12 is going to be another sensitive spot, okay? Number 12 is going to be under right over here, and this one you could choose to use a freehand, which you're going downward, or you could do backhand where you're going down this way, okay? Either whichever one you feel more comfortable with, and remember, always look at the pattern of the hair because you want to always go with the grain at the first try. Look at that. It's coming along, coming along. Alright, so number 13, this is where a lot of people get scared because this is your throat, the Adam's apple area. You're going to do a reverse freehand. Okay, so which means you're going this way. Instead of holding it like this, you hold like that. Or, no, you're going to hold it like this, but you're going to come towards you instead of downwards. Okay? Alright, number 14 is going to be just right above the chin area. That one, we're going to go ahead and I like to do that across. Okay? Alright, now you're just going to take the shaving cream and wipe off all the excess shaving cream. I accidentally wiped off some of his lips, but look at that. That's a clean shave right there, right? And hopefully you guys got all the way through without popping that balloon. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys could like, subscribe, comment, that would help the channel. Thank you.